Hello, Unity Community. Reverend Jim Pasmore here, and I'll be your speaker and cosmic advisor this coming Sunday. The title of my talk is New Thoughts for a New Year, the Cosmic Power of the I Am. We all know that when we connect our I Am to divinity, that we have a power, a cosmic power that can draw from the field of all possibilities. We have the power to create a new world for ourselves and for those around us with our thoughts and our actions that are in alignment with those thoughts. So we want to kind of let go of anything that's been fearful or of concern for us in the year 2025 and any drama or trauma associated with it. We want to focus on 2026 being a year of resolute commitment to positive thinking, to draw in wonderful new opportunities, new ways of being in our life that change us and change the world around us for the better, for more laughter, more love, more light, more life. And we know that's possible. And the question is, how do we do that? Well, that's what I'm going to share my thoughts on, and I'll bet you'll have some ideas about it too that pop up. So I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Take care.